Good morning and welcome to the Mahabodhi School News Bulletin. I am Tsering Duskit.
And I'm Dejan Chorul. This news bulletin will be shared every month on our YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe and stay connected with us.
Let's begin with our first news story. Boti Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm on 1st April 2026. The event was organized by the Literary Committee in collaboration with the Boti Department.
The program highlighted the importance of preserving the Boti language and promoting the rich cultural heritage of Ladakh through an inter-house quiz competition and poetry recitation.
Students actively participated in both the inter-house quiz competition and the poetry recitation program.
On the 4th of April, the school organized an inter-house games competition for students from classes 3rd to 8th.
The event showcased enthusiasm, discipline, and true sportsmanship among the students.
In the junior Kho-Kho competition, Mehta House secured first position while Mudita House emerged victorious in the middle section.
Also on the same day, grade 7 students visited the Hall of Fame under OP Sadbhavana.
The visit gave students an opportunity to learn about the bravery and sacrifices of Indian soldiers while exploring various defense exhibits and equipment.
Moving on, the kindergarten section organized fun games and activities for young learners on the 5th of April.
The program created a joyful atmosphere filled with laughter, excitement, and active participation.
On the 10th of April, the school officially launched the booklets Bija, Pallava, and Padma.
The event was graced by Guruji Venerable Bhikkhu Sangasena along with teachers and staff members.
The inter-house volleyball competition was held on the 17th of April with great energy and enthusiasm.
Upeka House won the boys category while Mudita House secured victory in the girls category.
To mark World Heritage Day, junior students visited Shimri Monastery.
The visit helped students learn more about Ladakh's spiritual and cultural tradition.
Senior students later visited Himis Monastery on 20th of April and explored its museum and historical treasures.
Now to our special Earth Day report.
On the 22nd of April, the school celebrated Earth Day with great enthusiasm and participation from various schools across Ladakh.
The program was jointly organized by the Mahabodhi International Meditation Center, Save the Himalayas Foundation, International Crane Foundations, the Literary Committee, and the Science Department.
The event featured the Wild Wisdom Ladakh Quiz, a black-necked crane symposium, and several awareness activities promoting environmental protection.
Sir Pankaj Chandan addressed the gathering and encouraged students to work towards a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future.
In the student symposium competition, first position was secured by Stanzan Zadol from Ladakh Public School.
Second place went to Stanzan Chuskit from Maravan Mission School, while Ngawang Chonzum from Mahabodhi Residential School secured third position.
In the drawing competition, Dechan Angmo from Lamdon School won first prize.
And in the quiz competition, Delhi Public School secured first position.
We now move to sports achievements.
Class 6 student Stanzan Tonsal secured first place in the 300-meter speed skating event at the Ashmita State Level Competition 2026.
Adding to the celebration, Stanzan Khando A and Stanzan Khando B of our school brought pride to Ladakh through outstanding performances in national level figure skating competitions.
Both students will now represent Ladakh at the upcoming Indian Ice Skating Nationals.
In another proud achievement, our school has been recognized as a regional winner from Ladakh in the Wipro Earthen program.
The recognition was awarded for the school's work on the sustainability and water conservation initiatives.
In academics, the school achieved another proud milestone as the CBSE Class 10th and Class 12th results recorded a 100% pass percentage.
Congratulations to all the successful students, teachers, and parents for this remarkable achievement.
In Class 10th, Stanzan Ladol topped the school with 85.2%, followed by Jigmet Chosdon with 82.6% and Tashidolma with 81.6%.
In Class 12 Humanities, Jigmet Chosnor secured first position with 91.2%, followed by Stanzan Rabyang with 89.4%, and Purbu Dolma with 87.6%.
In the commerce stream, Stanzan Chospel topped the class with 88.4%, followed by Tashi Chuskit with 80.8%.
A hearty congratulations to all our toppers for their outstanding achievement.
That brings us to the end of today's school news bulletin.
Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay inspired, and keep shining.
Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you.